ito, wala siguro itong bayad.
Sharing. What? Bubbles? Okay. Go with daddy. Wow! Look at that!
Ano tas?
Sherry, don't touch. O, kuya, dapat hindi malitikit. Ako. Can I try? Pasmado? Drink it. Try. Full chair.
Sit in the chair and pull on the attached to make yourself.
the Philippines. Shelly, what are you doing? Oh, very good ah. Shelly, look at this one. Shelly, look ah.
Welcome to the small machine zone. Here we will learn the rules of mechanics and simple machines. Levers, pulleys, inclined planes, and gears may seem humble, but they are the unsung heroes of our everyday life. Each hands-on exhibit here shows you how ancient concepts power modern engineering. Try lifting weights with minimal effort. Observe how force travels through gears, and discover how even a child's push can move the world without mechanical intervention. These machines are where invention begins.
Come here. How about this one? Touch the, wait, touch the, change its color, diba? So you touch it, it changes color. Wait, that's how fireworks work. Teka lang, wait lang.
So, how do you know how? Shelly, try. Ay. Touch daw ni Shelda. Kid again. Then.
Saan ka pupunta?
Nag-iiba yung shade niya. Wow, Shelly. It's getting deep. Whoa. So it changes.
No power was charged battery.
Galing mo 3D press. Well, you can do that. They're almost the same size. How do you do that?
Wow. Can you
No
move it?
power was charged battery.
Aangat mo.
Tapos? Another. Ah, okay.
No power was charged battery.
Ay, galing ah. Galing.
Go, go. Optical illusion. Look at that. It's move. Look, oh. Look mo. Oh. Parang nag-move.
I put it in my hand.
You cannot put your hands there.
Why?
You made it? Dahan-dahan.
Posible yan.
Ah, ako. Oh, nice Shelly. Ito sa bucket na yellow.
Hindi, pero kailangan mag-umpisa mo siya.
Kuya. He's busy, ah. Yeah. Is that the ladybug, Shelly? Wow, what else do you see?
Runway shark. Ayun, ang gusto ko runway shark.
Ah, remote.
Oh, galing ah.
Nakita mo yung ano nila. That's X-ray school. Yan ang mga.
Wala silang konti na urban. Ibat ako dito.
Sige.
painting box, oh. Kid, kailangan mag-paint. You need to paint on the sand. Look, we will draw on the sand, okay? We'll draw a face. Draw a face, look now. This the head, this the eyes, nose. Oh, look my face. Oh, look at my hand, oh. Okay. Very look, oh, my hand.
Where's my head?
Oh, look, mommy creating flowers, oh. Painting yan, eh. Magpe-paint ka. Sa painting, sun painting. See, ayan.
Hey, where's mom?
Look siya, look at my drawing. You know, alam mo kung ano yung drawing ko? Look ko.
Flower?
Yeah.
It's a flower?
Oh, this is a flying, what's this? It's a flying angel.
Ayan. Teka na. Picture tayo, picture tayo.
It's a robot. You like robots? It's okay. It's just a robot.
Just a robot.
Here, machines come to life. Try coding, test sensors, and watch robots in motion. This is where play meets innovation, and your ideas power creation.
Go here.
Dito mo natin.
Ito muna. A party robot. A dinosaur robot.
Engineered to operate
Oh, yeah.
public-facing environments, offering assisted therapy environments, and educational tools ranging from
Ay, hindi nakatry mo.
research and robotic assistance in class, sharing new skills
Go,
across
go.
employees. This allows continuous improvement and faster deployment of new capabilities across industries. In 2024, Figure AI announced a partnership with OpenAI, integrating powerful models to enable facilities, planning, and actual communication.
Look at that. The one you wish.
Figure
Because Martin,
understand
Robot na. Ano yan?
and display
I don't like the princess.
real-time facial movements.
Lang.
I want to go to Ashley.
Eh, nagpipik siya, oh.
I want to go to Ashley.
Sa dog, wala, nawawala yung oh.
Nataas yung paa. Hinihingi na daw.
Oh, greetings! Greetings! Ay! Atak, atak, atak! Atak na! Yan. Ba.
Mama, let's go.
Come on, come on.
Who's like to go there? Let's go to play now.
Human anatomy. Okay, paano maging doctor?
Ayaw, Dr. Shelly. Wala, ayan, magdoktor na kayo niya.
You're gonna operate, kid. How you fix it? This is the human body. Look. Stomach. This is sila. Stomach.
Nakikita mo yung mga
Asan yung ano? This is the pelvic
Ito yung stomach. Ayan yung intestine.
intestine. This
What's
is the
this?
intestine.
Shelly,
Oh no!
baka iuwi ni Shelly.
Where's the heart? Where's the liver?
Shelly,
Where's
are you a doctor? Can you cure
kidney?
him?
Asan yung 2 kidneys, kid? Where's the kidney? Here.
Kill him! You kill him! What's this? Ian?
Ano to? Yung heart.
Tama ka.
Oh, it's
No, this is not the heart. This is the kidney.
Buhay mo yan. Ito yung heart, oh. Ayan yung heart, oh.
Oh, you break the heart. It's dead na. Uy, put it inside. Put it inside.
Let's open the head. Let's open the head, Shelly. Shelly, what's inside the head?
Wala.
Oh no, the throat.
Wala ka na sa tuto.
Ayan.
Ayusin ko to. Wala pa yun eh.
Ito meron sa utak niya.
Wala.
Ba't walang brain to?
Ayusin ko lang.
Oh no.
This I put.
Nakasalista.
Daddy sa dista. This the heart. Okay. Okay, doc. Oh, it's okay now. Oh, this is...
Oh my God, there's a blood. There's a blood here.
Oh, sige na. Tapos na siya. Na-operahan na siya. Take care of daddy. Oh, push daddy.
Paano yung kami?
Push daddy in the stairs. So, ganyan gagawin mo. Emergency, emergency.
Are you a nurse? Are you a nurse?
What will you do? Daddy's in pain.
Slowly na. Ano?
Slowly lang, pero Look.
Ah, Shelly, look now. Shelly.
basa yung dress mo, ah. Wow! Dali, oh. Dali. Dali. Okay, bam, bam. Dali, bam. Bam, bam. Dali, oh. Daddy, ano dito ka na? Wow! Bye-bye, Shelly.
Uy, shoot! Shoot!
Kailangan ako, ah.
Last na ba to? Lari na to, no? Last na to.
Dance ka nga. Dance ka nga. Dance ka nga.
Oh, Shelly, alis ka dyan. Mabubumbu ka dyan. Mga bata na nabulan. Ayan na. Good. Baka ikaw po nakatama sa kapatid mo, ha? Shelly, dito ka lang. Doon na lang kayo sa red. Doon. Come on, Shelly, go there. Oh. Video namin. Yes, kapatid mo. Shelly, dito lang. Ay, talaga naman. Ay. Kapatid mo. Protektahan mo yung kapatid mo. Yan o. Nagkakautog ka. No running, okay? Tatamaan mo yung ano, oh. Diyan ka na lang, diyan ka sa gilid, sa gilid. Bounce off, right, Shelly, dito lang.